In 2021, the tax law changed in regards to the child tax credit. Prior to this change, parents received a $2,000 credit, of which a portion was refundable, meaning that you could have received some of it back in your tax refund. In 2021, the IRS upped that dollar amount to $3,000 for children between 6 and 17 and $3,600 for children 5 and younger. If your income was less than $75,000 if you filed single, $112,500 for head of household, and $150,000 for married filing jointly, you had the option of receiving half of your child tax credit in advance. Starting in July of 2021, the IRS started issuing those payments to taxpayers based on their 2020 returns. You would have had to opt out to not receive those payments. If your income was higher than the threshold I just mentioned, the credits would be reduced by $50 for every $1,000 your AGI was above those amounts. So if you were married filing jointly and your adjusted gross income was $155,000, you would reduce the child tax credit by $250. So instead of receiving $3,000, you would get $2,750. The IRS started sending letters in January to inform taxpayers what amounts they received in the prior year. Since you received half of the tax credit in advance, you need to factor that in when filing your taxes for 2021. On your 2021 return, you would enter the number from the letter they sent on letter 6419, and then the other half of the tax credit would get captured on your current return. If you have a child and you didn't get the advanced tax payments, then you would receive the entire $3,000 or $3,600 depending on your child's age. Conversely, if you received a tax credit and now you can't claim that child on your 2021 return, you could be on the hook for repayment. The IRS did include a safe harbor provision, so if your income is below a certain threshold, you actually won't have to pay it back. Something to remember is that if you filed a joint return, you and your spouse would both receive IRS letter 6419. What can be confusing is they split the advance payment in half to both parents on that letter. So you would need both of them to get the correct amount. This is very important because it could cause your return to get held up if you don't claim the exact dollar amount that they gave. Check out this video on why the credit will make your refund smaller.